Oh, hello everyone. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2026. I'm San No, your host for today. I am so super excited to be here with all of you. And I hope you are having an absolutely wonderful day so far. Now, today I'm introducing a really fascinating and trending article from the arXiv. It is something that sounds a bit complicated at first, but it is actually super relevant to how we use computers and AI today. The title of the paper is Reframing Law Agent Security as an Agent-Human Interaction Problem. The curl is arXiv.org/2605.24309 version 1. That is a really long title, right? But do not worry, because I am going to break it all down for you in a fun and easy way. So let us talk about the big problem this paper is trying to solve. Nowadays, we have these amazing AI systems called lone agents. These are not just the chatbots that talk to you. They can actually do things on your computer, like browsing the web, editing your files, and running commands. That sounds super helpful, right? But wait, there is a catch. Because these agents can actually change things, it can be a huge security risk if the AI gets confused or someone tricks it with a bad instruction, and to delete your important files or leak your private information. So the big question is how we keep these agents secure. The researchers found something really interesting when they looked at how people try to solve this. There is a massive mismatch between what academic researchers study and what real companies actually use. In the academic world, researchers are trying to make security fully automated. They want the AI to check itself, using another AI to look at the actions and decide if they are safe. But out in the real world, companies making actual products do not trust the AI to check itself. Instead, every single real-world system relies on humans. They ask the human to approve actions, or set rules, or draw boundaries around what the AI can do. That is right, humans. We're totally indispensable for security right now. But here is the main problem the paper points out. Even though humans are necessary, the way we interact with these security systems right now is totally broken. Have you ever used an app that asks you to click approve 50 times in a row? It gets really annoying. Right. This is called approval fatigue, because the AI asks for permission for every little thing. Users just get tired and start clicking allow on everything without even reading it. Your users set up a sandbox for the AI, but then they just leave it open and forget to close it, which means the AI could still do something dangerous later. See, the researchers are saying we need to stop thinking about AI security as just a math or computer problem. We need to treat it as an interaction problem between humans and AI. Let's compare this with other technologies. Normally, in traditional computer security, you use strict codes and firewalls to keep bad things out. It is very black and white. But with AI agents, the actions are open-ended. You cannot just write a list of bad words and block them, because the AI might need to do something totally unexpected to finish your task. Compared to fully automated AI checks, the human-in-the-loop method is much more reliable because only the human actually knows what their true goal is. An AI judge cannot make your mind to know if you wanted a file deleted or not. But because humans get tired easily, we need a better system that balances safety without making the user exhausted. Now, let me give you 3 specific application examples based on the content of this paper. These will show you exactly how this technology and these concepts could be applied in our everyday lives. For the first example, let us think about a smart coding assistant for software developers. Imagine you are a programmer and you ask your AI to fix a bug in your code. Right now, the AI might ask for your permission to read a file, then ask permission to edit a line, then ask permission to save it. That is way too many interruptions. Based on this paper, a better application would be a risk adaptive approval system. This system would know that reading a normal project file is low risk, so it does that automatically. But if the AI suddenly tries to delete a database or change a core system file, it would stop and ask the programmer for approval. This means the programmer stays safe, but only has to click approve when it really matters. It makes working with AI so much smoother and less annoying. Moving on to the second example. Let us imagine a personal AI assistant that helps you manage your daily life. Say you tell your AI to book a flight for your vacation. The AI has to go online, find the tickets, and use your credit card. If we use the old way, the AI might just do it all, which is scary, or it might ask you a million questions. Using the ideas from this paper, we could have a template-based policy system. Before the AI starts, you choose a simple preference template that says, only spend up to $500, and only use trusted airline websites. You write this in normal language, and the system translates it into strict computer rules. Then the AI does its job perfectly within those safe boundaries. You do not get bothered during the process, and you know your bank account is totally safe. And for the third example, let us talk about a smart home management agent. Imagine you have an AI that controls your smart locks, your cameras, and your thermostat. One day, you tell the AI to prepare the house for a party. The AI might decide to unlock the front door to let guests in. But wait, unlocking the front door is a major security action. If we apply the proactive ambiguity detection concept from this paper, the AI would not just guess what you want. Before the party even starts, the AI would ask you a clear question. It would say, I'm getting ready for the party. Should I leave the front door unlocked for guests, or should I wait for you to approve each guest? By asking you this before it takes action, the AI figures out your exact intent without interrupting you in the middle of your party. This makes having a smart home so much safer and way less stressful. So what do these researchers want us to do next? They are calling for a brand new research area where human-computer interaction and AI security come together. You want to design systems that are fatigue-resistant. That means making sure that humans only have to step in at the exact right moment. We also want to make policy writing super easy for regular people. So you do not have to be a computer genius to keep your AI safe. And finally, they want to use AI to help humans make better security choices, like drafting up a list of permissions for you to review, instead of asking you to write them from scratch. It is really amazing to think about how much AI is changing our world. But it is even more important to remember that we humans, we're still the bosses. We just need better tools to help us be good bosses without getting totally stressed out. This paper is such a great reminder that technology should always be designed with the human in mind. Well, that is all the time we have for today. I really hope you enjoyed learning about AI agent security with me. I'm Sano, and I will be right here waiting to share more cool science with you next time. Have a fantastic and bubbly rest of your week, everyone.